So what does my week look like? What does my days look like in terms of hours worked and that kind of thing? So currently I am Monday to Friday, and at the time of filming, the last kind of 6 weeks or so I've been doing Saturday mornings because I'm just absolutely chock-a-block, and I find I can fit me kind of hedges in easier on a Saturday morning rather than putting it on at the end of the day or whatever, because my week is kind of geared around basically childcare, pickups, drop-offs to grandparents, to nurseries and all that kind of thing. So bigger jobs are put in certain places. It's just all geared around kind of pickups and drop-offs. So let's think. So I try to get up. See, we've just had a baby as well, 7 weeks prior to filming, so I kind of get out the house as early as I did. So let's say we talk about before the baby. So I try to get out between 8:30 and 9. Busier days I'll try and be out for 8:30. That's van loaded up and away, driving at 8:30, 8:30, 8:45 max. I'm lucky in the fact that I don't have to travel too far. The vast majority of my jobs is where I live, so I'm really lucky. I do, if you're looking at a fortnightly rota, I do have a handful of days where I'm outside my area and I'm in another area all day, because I might have 7 or 8 gardens in a specific place, so I'll spend all day there type of thing. So that's perfect. So I'm a big kind of advocate of trying to look after yourself, look after your body, because jobs like this, it's tough on your body. I couldn't be out kind of all day till 5, 6 o'clock every day. Of course, I do have to do that from time to time, but I couldn't do that every day. Obviously, I've got a family. I've got other interests. I've got YouTube. This takes up a lot of time. So it's a case of fitting it all in. If I was by myself and I wasn't doing anything else like YouTube or whatever, then I could maybe. I don't think my body would let us, like, to be fair. I mean, I've got Crohn's. I do have days where I feel absolutely knackered, so I do try to balance me week out. So let's see, roughly what time do I finish? 2:30, 3 might be an average finish. However, I'd say maybe, yeah, definitely 2 days a week. That finish might be 4 or 5. So it does differ. As I say, it's geared around nursery pickups and dropping off at grandparents, and that obviously knocks the time on. So yeah, it could be the days where I'm not doing drop-offs and stuff. It could be, say, from 8:30, 9 till maybe 2, 3 o'clock. The days where I am doing that, 8:30, 9 to maybe 4, 5 o'clock. That way I feel like I'm getting a decent balance. I'm not killing myself. I feel like that works for me. I work by myself, so I can't share the load with anyone. Saturday mornings, get out as early as I can, because I said in the beginning I didn't want to work weekends. Obviously, I have done, especially when the weather's bad. So the weekends are there to catch up if needs be, and I've definitely done that. But with the kids now, 2 of them, I started this garden business when we just had our first, and I didn't want to be working weekends religiously. That's kind of turned into what I'm doing now, as I say, Saturday morning. So I try and put it kind of, it's just really me hedges. So a couple of hours, 2, 3 hours, I'll be out on a Saturday morning, and that's enough. I do a grass cut that has to be done on a weekend, so there's no cars there, sorry. So when I'm strimming and all that, like, the car park has to be empty, because there's like a grass kind of thing I cut is around the little car park. So I do that. That takes about 45 minutes. So I do that once a fortnight, but you know, the money's all right for that, so I'll happily do that, really. And I don't have to religiously do that once a fortnight either. I can kind of do it when I want. They're not too bothered about it, so it's, you know, I've got a little bit free reign, so it's not a bad one to have. That's basically it. So I hope that answers the question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.